Hello guys, good day. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare a chicken calderita with peanut butter. Now I have here the ingredients, of course, a onion, a garlic, a chicken, potato, carrots, and the capsicum. Now I will peel all the vegetables. After we peel it all, guys, of course we should wash. And then I don't know where's the video when I'm slicing it, but of course I cut the potato by cubes and the carrots, and also the capsicum I slice it into cubes. Now I'm slicing the chicken by 8 parts. It's up to you on how you cut it, if you like too small or too big, but for me, I'll just slice it by 8 pieces in one chicken. After slicing it, guys, you will wash it, put it in plate. Now here are also my other ingredient, guys. Tomato paste, nor cubes, and a peanut butter. We'll prepare a casserole or a pot, and then you should put an oil enough for your chicken. Now you can put your onion now, guys, and then just fry it a little bit. After that one, you follow the garlic till it will be turned golden brown. When it will be golden brown, you put the chicken and let it stir for a while, for 5 minutes. and then put the laurel leaves and the black pepper, and of course the north leaves. This one, guys, I will not put anymore a salt because I already put a north chicken cubes. I'll just mix it and then I'll just let it steer for a 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Now, I'll just mix it, guys. And when it's already boiled, I will put the potato and then cover again. Now I will put the tomato paste so that it will penetrate to its meat, the meat of the chicken. Well, it's boiling. Then I add water, guys. A 1 cup of water, and then we'll put the peanut butter. For me, guys, I prefer to put a crunchy peanut butter so that when you eat the chicken caldereta, you will taste a little crunch from its peanut. Not just the taste, but also the crunchiness of the peanut. Now, guys, it's already boiling for 10 minutes. I will put the carrot and then I'll just cover it for a while, around 5 minutes, and then let's cover it. Now, guys, I already let it cook for another 5 minutes, and then I just mix it, and of course tasting time. And boy, you will, when you taste it, guys, when you put the peanut butter, you will feel it was so phenomenal. Yo. Love your own. Well, by the way, guys, I will just give you a trivia. It's not a trivia. This is not a trivia, guys. I'll just tell you guys that this one, I just wonder, when I was a child, I just wonder why it is my father, every time he's cooking a calderita, but a goat, meat of the goat. He's cooking it and he put the peanut butter on it. That's why every time, now and then, every time I'm cooking calderita, whether it is chicken, a mutton, or a beef, I'm putting it a peanut butter because it is so tastes so good. And now it's already boiling. It's almost done. Now guys, you can see the thickness of the sauce because it is the fusion of the two ingredients, the tomato paste and of course the peanut butter, because the peanut butter also guys can give it thickens the sauce. And then after you cover that one guys, you put the capsicum or the green paper bag. After you cover it for 3 minutes, you just cover it for 3 minutes, and after that one, then your chicken calderita is done. It's ready to serve. Hope you like my video guys. Thanks for watching. Until my next video. Bye bye.